See? This is the living room. This is the artwork, right? This is a new fan. Isn't that awesome? Wow, that fan works good, man. That is so awesome. And then this is the work we just did. See the floor? That's what you call that flooring? It's awesome. That's the flooring we need to put in.
I call it fucking gorgeous.
And this is where we have our dinner. And this is where there's a nice kitchen. Look at all the nice stuff you have. This is awesome, man. Look at this. I see why the cake girl is very happy.
It's my Johnny Cash fridge.
Yeah, this is where all the other things.
Yeah, in case I get anybody, gotta come and stay.
Yeah, put it on you so they can see you. This is for my big Uncle John.
Oh, this is for Uncle John. Hey, John.
Yeah,
fuck you.
Big Uncle John. Now he's got a beautiful lady Donna, which is great. Donna's beautiful.
Sorry.
Donna's wonderful, and we're gonna party with Donna and Uncle Slick. We're gonna have fun.
I can't wait to meet Donna.
We can't wait to meet Donna.
See
Donna's
Uncle
awesome.
Knuckles again.
Uncle Knuckles is
Donna
awesome, and Donna's like
Florida.
Yeah, Donna's like the icing on the cake. He's a lucky guy to have a babe like Donna. When I get a babe like Donna, I'll be all set. You're all set. You got a cake girl, but he's got Donna. With me, I'm loose. So
that makes me horny.
Yes. Oh, sounds good. We going out to party, man.
We're going to a wedding.
This is for the Dave Girk. How about the Dave Girk?
Girky's up north, slapping his cousins. You know what I'm talking about.
All right, we'll talk to you guys later.
Talk to you later, man.
See you guys.
Oh, jeez.